Hey, this is PB Campervans. We just got done building this mobile retail store, and we're now gonna incorporate mobile retail stores in our builds, and this is the tour. Come in here, we have a pull-out bed design that is also a couch. And you pull it out like this. Here's some more. And then we have a light switch and a fold down table to work with clients or cash them out. We also have here a voltmeter and some outlets with USB. This van has a 110 volt circuit, and it also has an AC unit. We have display shelves over here. We have storage underneath here as well, and it's locked in place with magnet latches. We have lots of storage everywhere, and here's the electrical cabinet. It has a Vicatron Multiplus charger inverter, and we have a house AC unit, so when the vehicle is plugged in shore power, the AC unit can be powered and is going to keep the mobile retail store nice and cold. Right now it's not plugged in. We have our max air fan that's ventilating when the vehicle is parked, and then we have here a rod for hanging clothes. And what else can I show you guys? This is it. This is the floor. Is really nice. We have some laminate floor here. Looks like in a house. And that was the tour.